This is a bone, strong, resilient, and seemingly simple. But what is it made of? We begin with bone cells, called osteocytes, which work together to keep the bone strong, repairing any damage and maintaining the structure. Even in what seems like a solid object, we find life at work. Within each cell is a nucleus. The nucleus is the cell's control center, where we find DNA that carries the instructions for all life. DNA is like a biological recipe, guiding the cell's functions. DNA itself is made of even smaller pieces, called molecules. These molecules are bonded together in specific patterns to create the instructions for the cell. We call molecules matter. Molecules are made of atoms, the basic units of all matter. From bones to air to stars, everything is made of atoms. Each atom has a dense core called the nucleus, surrounded by electrons zooming around at high speed, like planets around a star. Within the atom's nucleus, we find protons and neutrons. These particles give the atom its mass, and they bind it together. They are essential to the atom's stability and make up the central structure of each atom. Finally, we reach the smallest particles known to science, quarks and gluons. Quarks are particles that make up protons and neutrons. They come in pairs of 3, held tightly by gluons, which act as a glue, binding quarks together with incredible strength. Cells are made of DNA. DNA is made of molecules. Molecules are made of atoms. Atoms are made of protons and neutrons and electrons. And protons and neutrons are made of quarks and gluons. The same structure exists in all matter. The complex, invisible layers that make up everything we see. Every part of you and every object around you is built from these same particles in our incredibly simple and incredibly complex universe.